Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to introduce you to an amazing AI tool called VisualBook AI, a smart creative platform that can instantly transform your text into beautiful visual slides, books, or story presentations. Whether you are a teacher, student, content creator, or YouTuber, this tool can save you hours of design work and make your content more engaging and professional. It uses AI to read your text, understand key points, and then arrange them into visually appealing layouts perfect for tutorials, educational videos, storytelling, and digital products. In this step-by-step demo, I'll show you exactly how to use this tool to convert any article or paragraph into a ready-to-share visual books, even if you have no design experience. You'll find the official link to this platform in the video description below, so you can try it yourself after watching this tutorial. So let's get started. You have to sign up with your email or continue with Google, and this VisualBook AI platform is totally free to use. You can see an example here, a pretty basic topic of matter in our surroundings, and you can see the beautiful pictures with it and the text with each slide. Like we have a heading here, matter is made up of particles with the picture in it, and then two activities, potassium permanganate in water. How small are these particles in matter? With a beautiful picture. Particles of matter have space between them. Particles of matter have space between them again. And just like that, it's a beautiful picture of the example of diffusion. So we can also create such visual book with our PDF document, and for that I have to write the name of the book here, but first I want to show you the PDF document. Okay, I'm using a summary of a research article, and I'm not using the original article because of the copyright issue. So I think bacteria in the ginger roots would be fine. Let's give it a name. And then click on create. Now you have to upload your PDF document here. I select the PDF file here and now click submit. Okay, after taking some time, it gives me 7 slides. Now let's take a quick preview. Introduction: bacteria found in soil around ginger roots, microorganisms in ginger plant soil, and then soil sample connection and analysis, and then beneficial bacterial types with this picture here, and then harmful bacterial types. Okay, roles of bacteria in soil, and then last one is implications of crop protection. Okay, but I don't like the first picture here. I want to change it. Click on refresh. As you can see, it gives me a different picture here. Okay, now I want to add more slides in this topic, beneficial bacterial types. So I click on this topic. It gives me 3 new slides with 2 different bacteria in each slide, and then the last one is interaction of beneficial bacteria with ginger roots. Now you can see 3 new slides under the topic of bacterial analysis with pictures. Now let's preview this beautiful visual book. Okay, click on preview. introduction and microorganisms in ginger plant soil sample collection and analysis, bacterial analysis, the three different slides you remember, and then harmful bacterial types, roles of bacteria, and then implications for crop protection. We can also see the slideshow here. Click on slideshow. You can also publish your book. Click on publish. Now click on public books. And here is the beautiful presentation of a simple PDF file. Okay, now I want to convert these simple equations into slides, and you can see there is no text here. Let's go to the main page. Give a name. Create. Upload a PDF here. Click on submit. And we have 6 slides with pictures and text from this simple PDF file. And you can change the image and edit the text in each slide. So please like and share my video if you found this tutorial helpful, and subscribe to my channel ToolBloomAI if you want to know more about such amazing platforms. Bye for now.